Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn world. Today we'll see how to crochet this beautiful tassel earrings. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this project, I've taken a fine yarn. I've taken a soft baby yarn for crocheting my square, and then for the tassels I'm using the crochet thread, which is also in white color. It's from Red Heart brand. This thread I purchased in India, and then fish hooks, and then scissors, and a 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. Since we are working earrings, it's always good to go with the smaller crochet hooks. So for starting, I'm doing a magic ring, chain 3, and then 3 double crochets around the magic ring. So my starting chain 3 is also considered as my first double crochet. So altogether we have 4 double crochets and 2 chains around the magic ring. So we are going to work that 3 more times, meaning that we'll have 4 sets of 4 double crochets and chain 2 in between, which means we'll have 4 chain 2 spaces as well. And then once we are done with that, we are going to do a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3, and then we will be tightening our magic ring. So I'm just gently pulling the magic ring, tightening it, and then I will do a slip stitch on top of chain 3, starting chain 3, and then we'll work still slip stitch here as well. Just secure your magic ring in the middle by gently pulling it and securing it with a knot, and then cut off the yarn, do a slip stitch, and then leave a little yarn for attaching the tassels. Now I'll go ahead and prepare the tassels. Now the tassels are done. I've just cut the end and leveled it up. I'm going to attach this tassel to the crocheted square. Then I'm attaching a self-adhesive pearls which I bought in Walmart, and then I'm attaching the fish hooks too on the top. So a tassel earring, one of earrings ready. So make one more of that. So our tassel earrings is ready. It's very quick and simple project. Please try this at home and let me know your comments below. Please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.